since the time I have started, I feel, I'm on a different space right now. I am so happy. I'm so thankful. And, the biggest thing is that I'm so happy that I give it a try. I just, it's so amazing that although I was so doubtful, that I did not sit back, I did not listen to those who were saying, like my husband. I still took this risk, but at that time I felt a risk, of course. But now I am at a very happy space, because it is fulfilling all my needs that I was looking for. So I just wanted to tell you, give it a try. Unless you give it a try, and you'll keep thinking, you will never know that what was there on the other side.
That's
So
true.
yes,
That's true.
yeah, yeah.
That's
Of
true.
course, please
Until
give
we
it a
didn't
try.
try anything, we're not gonna know. We're not
Yeah,
gonna know that.
we will never gonna know, and it is fulfill. My life is so systematic, Raman. I finish my everything. I do my work whenever I want, and even during the day, if you are not getting time, there is no time limitation when we say.
Yeah,
Means if you're free at 10 o'clock in the night or even 11 o'clock, you can just sit and you can do your work.
that's true. That's
So
true.
this is
That's the
the
part I like.